Hello class, today's topic is codominance. You have already studied the incomplete dominance where the characters are intermediate. Now in case of this cow, you must have seen that instead of brown and white cow, when they are mating together, you are not getting a different coffee shade but patches of the color. You can see the cow is having the brown and white patches. It means that both the colors are able to express themselves equally and they are not mixing or blending with each other. For example, the cross between the white bull and the red cow is giving you a calf having the patches of the white and brown both. It is not mixing of the color, but both the colors are dominating at the same time. This type of the character, when both the characters are able to express themselves at certain places, which is being controlled by the different genes or the same genes or different set of the genes, is called codominance. This characteristics of the codominance is not only present in case of the animals but in case of human beings or in case of the plants also it is being present. How this codomination is taking place? It is because of the more than one allele responsible for it. For example, in case of the human being, the red blood cell type is having the characteristic feature. You have studied the blood group system, group A, group B, or the blood group A, blood group B, blood group O, and AB blood group. Actually, the red blood cells, they are on the plasma membrane, are having a specific type of sugar polymers present in it. These sugar polymers actually determines specificity of the major blood groups. They are having the two different type of the antigens present in it. They are named as A antigen and the B antigen. If this A antigen is present, other than the glycolipid, carbohydrate chain, glycogen, everything is same, is an example of multiple allelism. On the same locus, the two different type of the antigens are present in the alleles, that is antigen A and antigen B. Other than this, there is a characteristic feature that there is no polymer is present, or I or the zero condition of the polymer or the antigen is present, then it is known as or written as simply I or IO. So when the sugar is produced, it is IA or IB, or when it is not present, it is simple I. The dominant character is production of the sugar and recessive character is non-production. So during the condition, if IA and no condition of small I is present, the blood group is A. So if we take it horizontally, the first one is having blood group A, the next is blood group B, and so on. So if a parent is having, the father is having IA blood or the mother is having I0 or the O blood group, then the chance of the child to have the blood group is whether the blood group A or the O blood group. For example, this case IA and I, genotype of the offspring is IA1, but this may changes if the father blood is because of AO, IB and I, then generally condition we are saying that offspring is having the blood group B. Blood can be of O blood group also. How is it possible? Think about it. The blood group can be of the father B in one allele and I on the another one, or the O in the another one. The mother is already having the O. When the parents are having A and B blood group, the chances of the child having the AB blood group is more. But again, it may have A blood group, B blood group, or the O blood group also. So in this particular case, given here, the blood group A, B and AB. When both are A, then it is A blood group. Again, in this case, it is shown that the blood group A, when both the alleles in the father blood group is of A blood group. If any one is of O blood group, then the chances of changing the blood group to O is also equal. This example, it is the B blood group which is the dominant one, then the O one is taken and the blood group you are getting is IB, that is showing the B blood group because it is having the antigen B. It will produce the antibodies for A, and when there is no sugar in the RBC, that polymer is absent, a specific antigen polymer is absent, then in that particular group it is blood type 0 that we denoted by the O. So three forms are there, a one in which there is no polymer present, another one having the antigen A, and the last one having the antigen B. So in that case, three genes they are determining the blood group, and when it is the AB condition, both are able to express themselves. So when more than two genes or the alleles they are controlling a character, then it is known as multiple allelism. Here three characters are controlling the trait of the blood group, so it is an example of multiple allelism. In case the both A and B are present, then in that particular case you will see that A is also able to express itself and B is also able to express itself. So there it is called codominance, and it was found that this type of the codominance is also existing in case of the pea plant. According to the Mendel, law of dominance was there, but when the seed shape and the amount of the starch was checked, it was found that the single gene, that is the B gene, is responsible for the large size, high amount of the starch and the large amount of the and round seed shape, while the recessive character was less amount of the starch, smaller in the size and wrinkled seed. So when it was these two alleles were hybridized, then according to Mendel, in case of the pea plant, it should be the round should be the dominant one and the wrinkled is the recessive one, and in capital B small b, that is the heterozygous condition, it was found that the round seeds were there. That was exactly equal to the Mendel's law. But when it comes to the size of the seed, then according to Mendel it should be the large size, because large size is the dominant one. But it was found that in this particular case it is the intermediate size which is the characteristic of an incomplete dominance. So here in this single gene is controlling more than two characteristics, that is known as pleiotropic condition, and showing the three different traits: dominance, incomplete dominance and the codominance. So because of these characters, the Mendel's law were not considered as the universal for all the animals and the plants, although they are followed in many cases, but they are not the universal laws. They fix for the 7 characters only.